Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the CFLY Faith MINI Drone. This drone is not just a gadget, it's a professional camera with a 3-axis gimbal that records in 4K resolution. Imagine capturing your adventures in 4096-2160 pixels. It's fast too, with a maximum horizontal speed of 14 MNOS. Operating on a 5.8 GHz frequency, this drone has a remote distance of up to 3,000 miles. With a flight time of 26 minutes and a drone battery capacity of 3,100 mAh, you can explore to your heart's content. And don't worry about storage. It comes with a whopping 128 GB. The remote controller has a battery capacity of 2,100 mAh, ensuring you stay in control. The drone itself is lightweight, weighing in at just 230 grams. It also features 4K HD video recording and can take photos with 8 million pixels. The video format is MP4, making it easy to share your footage. Experience the thrill of flight with the CFLY Faith MINI Drone. Check out the link below to get yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings.